Malemgi Anisuba Lanzang the Tokiba, Battle of Imphal Sagunariba Koirengei Airfeild asi National Heritage Site amo Oina Ngak-Shennaba Rajya Sabha ge MP Ningthau Sana Zabalai Semana Parliament ki Pukning Chingsinkhre ngasi Rajya Sabha mifamgi 0 hour gi matamda MP Ningthau Sana Zabalai Semana Fongdokibada Kumza Lisingamaga Chamapa Nifuni Thoidegina Lisingamaga Chamapa Nifumdai Fawgida America ge engineer singi matenga loinena Koirengei Airfeild asi Sangwatkibane Malemgi Anisuba Lanzang the Tokiba Battle of Imphal the Allied Defense the Airfeild asina asoba thodang loki Airfeild asina Allied Force ki maruoi ba supply mari support piduna Japanese singna India da sangchilakpa thingbada asoba thodang loki Japanese force na Burma amade Imphal Valley da bomb thadaduna landarakpada Airfeild asigi matengna misam miyam sapagada mphamda hongdopgi thabaksu sataki Airfeild asina nongthaki lambiga samnaduna Allied troop lak anirom pusilaktuna India Eastern Frontier ngakpada so asobat mateng oiki Koirengei Airfeild asida aruiboina Major General Ordi Winget Laklambaga loidana India na ningkha tamlaba matungda Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru na Airfeild asimaktada Manipur thonglaki Laibak Thibadi Puari ga sagonari ba Airfeild asigi masak tamna mangsilaklei Airfeild asida leptana construction kya torokpaga loidana ngasidi military na khudum salaga laikre Airfeild ge masak manglakpa asina maramoriga Manipur miyam aduki matik thamoi soklei Airfeild asigi masak manghandana thamba haibasi tungi mirolda Puari gi masak takpa ngamgadoribani maramaduna Koirengei Airfeild asigi maru ibasing sakham biduna mari lenaba ministry na state langaka kusamnaraga Airfeild asi National Heritage Site ama oina ngak selga thamnaba thorang lokhat piyo haina MP Ningthau Sana Zabalai Semana House the Takshin Key.
I draw the kind attention of the government regarding the historical significance of the old Koirengei airfield of Manipur and urgent need for its preservation as part of India's national heritage. Constructed during 1942-43 with the assistance of American engineers, this airfield played a crucial role in the Allied defense during the Battle of Imphal in Second World War. It served as a key supply and a support base for the Allied forces and played an important role to stop Japanese advance into India. Earlier in 1942, when Japanese forces advanced into Burma, Imphal Valley became a major route for the evacuation of civilians. This airfield served as an important humanitarian corridor where displaced families, children and the sick received food, shelter and medical assistance. The physical remains of this airfield are gradually disappearing due to unregulated constructions and military presence. People of Manipur are also very disappointed to see the deteriorating conditions of the airfield. Preserving this site will protect its historical legacy and will enable future generations to understand India's wartime resilience and humanitarian commitment.